it doesn't really matter. Kahit mura yan, kahit mahal yan, you should take care of it kasi it should give you your money's worth, di ba? Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo ng proper care for your perfume. If you are new to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing after this video. If you have watched my previous video, so parang part 1 siya ng video na to, I have shown you my perfume collection. So not only that, I also told you kung ano yung mga perfumes ko na na-spoil na, that I need to throw away kasi naiba na yung amoy nila, or nagkaroon na ng chemical reaction because I didn't take care of it properly. And I'm sharing with you guys kung ano yung mga natutunan ko para i-apply nyo rin at hindi rin kayo matulad sa akin. Kung gusto niyo naman mapanood yung part 1 nga ng video nito, I will be linking it on the suggestion box or on the description box below. So let's get started. So, tip number 1, choosing the right storage for your perfumes. So, ang ideal storage for your perfume is that it is somewhere away from sunlight, from direct sunlight, and hindi rin drastic yung temperature change. So, let's say you have a dresser or you have a display cabinet that is near a sunlight or direct sunlight. So, you should avoid that kasi naaarawan yung perfume, naiinitan siya, and it might cause chemical reaction. So, tignan nyo rin naman. So, let's say, wala ngang direct sunlight, pero very humid naman yung pinaglagyan nyo. Like, let's say you have parang cabinet in your restroom or in your shower area, tapos meron kayong hot and cold shower. So, bukod sa drastic na yung temperature change, mainit. So, nagiging humid yung bathroom. So, it will also cause your perfume to spoil. So, it is also advisable to put your perfumes in a dark place. So, may studies na pagka nilagay mo siya on a darker place, mas matagal siyang ma-spoil kesa sa those that are exposed to direct heat and sunlight. Pwede rin naman na ilagay mo yung perfumes mo sa fridge. So, medyo awkward lang na meron kang pabango sa perfume, but I know a lot of people are already doing it. Tip number 2. Keep your perfume in its original bottle. Avoid transferring your perfume to different containers because exposure to air can cause your perfume to lose its scent. So, pwede rin naman kung let's say you are traveling, merong mga nabibiling atomizer. Ilalagay ko yung picture dito. I'll find it in the internet. So, though, ang problema lang doon, syempre may hangin, may injection ng hangin. So, wag mong i-expect din na magtatagal yung perfume. And also, ang gawin mo na lang dun sa atomizer, wag mo damihan ng salin para hindi siya masira. Magsalin ka na lang ulit pag naubos mo na. But other than that, kung hindi ka naman masyadong magta-travel, wag mo na lang isalin yung perfume mo kasi it can affect yung quality ng perfume mo. Kasi pag na-expose na siya sa hangin, syempre mawawala yung amoy niya or parang mag-faint yung amoy niya. So, that is tip number 2. Tip number 3. So, do not open everything. So, let's say you have a lot of perfumes. Huwag mo silang buksan lahat. Maliban na lang kung sobrang yaman mo, gamitin mo silang lahat, diba? Pero huwag mong pagsabay-sabayin lahat. So, I am so guilty with this. Kasi, nung nagsimula naman ako ng perfume collection ko, hindi ko naman alam kung how to properly take care of my perfumes. So, yun na nga, huwag mo silang gamitin ng sabay-sabay. Kasi, iisa lang naman yung katawan mo, diba? Isa lang naman yung sarili mo. So, hindi mo kailangan ng maraming pabango. Well, yes, it's okay to alternate your perfumes every now and then. But, huwag naman yung katulad ko na OA na lahat sila binuksan ko. Ang ending, hindi ko rin naman nagamit lahat. So, maybe, I think for me, an ideal is if you have, let's say, 4 or 5 opened perfumes na ina-alternate mo para to make sure na gagamitin mo talaga sila. So, let's say you work 5 days a week. Pwede kang mag-everyday magpalit ng scent. Ako kasi ganun ako eh. Araw-araw ako nagpapalit ng scent as much as possible. Kasi nga nai-immune yung ilong ko. Eh gusto ko na aamoy ko yung sarili ko na, ay, ang bango naman ang pabango ko today. Parang ganun. So, ayun, maybe at least open 4 or 5 bottles. And then, pag may naubos na ng isa sa kanila, saka mo na lang palitan. Tip number 4. So, it's best to remember when you first open your bottle of perfume. So let's say today, I am opening a new perfume. So mas maganda siguro kung sulatan nyo siya sa ilalim or even put a note in your phone kung kailan mo siya binuksan para maaalala mo kung kailan mo siya binuksan. Kasi nga, para magamit mo siya before it spoils. Kasi ang perfume para yung makeup or pagkain, walang forever sa pabango, no? Ang pabango, nasisira rin. Charot.
Oh, you're so funny.
So, let's say, like this one, this is the Davidoff Cool Water Zeros. Nakalagay sa likod niya, 36M. Tapos, meron siyang parang canister or can na may open na gano'n. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, 36 months from the time that I opened this, hanggang doon ko lang siya magagamit. So, 36 months is 3 years. Oh, yes. So, yun nga. So, ako guilty ako. Hindi ko na maalala kung kailan ko ito binuksan, kung kailan ko siya binuksan. So, I just have to finish it while it is still in good condition. So, yun. Pwede nyo naman siguro lagyan ng mark or maybe kung hindi naman kayo maselan, kung hindi nyo naman pinag-display yung perfume nyo, maglagay kayo ng masking tape, tapos sulatan nyo kung kailan nyo siya binuksan. Or, you can put it on your phone. And, so last but not the least, on my tips on how to take care of your perfume is to keep its bottle cap. So, itong takip na to, nandyan yan kasi may silbi yan, hindi lang yan basta pang dekorasyon. Always keep it on. Kasi itong nozzle niya, nakakadaan pa rin naman yung hangin dyan eh. Hindi naman absolute yung seal niyan eh. So, as long as you put the cap on, kahit papano na nape-prevent mo na magkaroon ng chemical reaction or interaction with air para lumabas yung amoy niya or para hindi rin naman nag-evaporate yung pabango mo. So, yan. So, ayan guys. I hope may natutunan kayo sa akin today. So, it doesn't really matter if the perfume you're using is expensive or cheap. Or hindi naman cheap. Siguro kung mas mura or mas mahal, it doesn't really matter as long as if you think na mabango siya, if you enjoy the smell, if you think bagay siya sa'yo, it doesn't really matter. Kahit mura yan, kahit mahal yan, you should take care of it. Kasi it should give you your money's worth. Diba? So, thank you guys for watching my video and I hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!